you're trying to get your FZ09 to go faster, dude, slap 4 turbos on the. Today, me and my helper here are going to be putting 4 turbos on this here 2014 Yamaha FZ09. She's a little slow. We got to give her a little pep to her step there, bud. So, yeah, 4 little guys. What do you think, helper?
I don't.
First things first, we're going to go ahead and take the Sawzall and cut off the existing tip. I'm honestly going to cry a little bit. I think we should start her up and see how loud it is. It's just runs like when she's warming up because it needs the turbos for the back pressure. As you can see on these 3 turbos, they still have the wastegate. I took it off of this one. We're going to be taking all the wastegates off of all 4 and welding the wastegate closed so it gets all the boost. We want like 40 pounds. There's 4 turbos. We should be able to get 40 pounds. Okay, so we went to AutoZone and we got this pipe right here, 2-inch to 2.5, because our pipe over there is 2.5 inch, and that fits like perfectly. We're pretty much gonna do it like this. The first one's gonna go right about here, and I'm gonna go off of this to make a bracket, maybe 2 brackets, one to the second one and one to the third one, and hopefully that'll be able to hold the weight of the turbos.
Oh, nice.
What we came up with now is we're just gonna do the turbos all in line on this. So it's gonna just be like 1, 2, 3,
This now
4.
is the manifold.
Yeah, that's the Manny. And we're just gonna cap the bitch off. And then now we can just run an exhaust.
The hot side.
The hot side, down pipe,
the
whatever.
Down pipe.
It's gonna be on the back side. But I'm gonna start it up and see how it sounds.
Are you good?
Charlie. This is pretty much the finished hot side going into the turbo and hot side coming out, down pipe, whatever you want to call it.
This is where the exhaust of the bike actually
I still have to cut all this off and trim it down so it looks a little bit better. This is pretty much the finished product. We got to clock the turbos a little bit. And then what I'm going to do, because this thing's heavy as f now, I'm going to somehow either weld to the first or second turbo on the bike and make it so it either mounts to here. I'll take this out and mount it to that, or there's also bolt holes right there. But I think it would be easiest just to go to this. Also, we started taking all this apart. I took the seat out. I took the battery off. I started taking the gas tank parts off the front of it so we can get the gas tank off and see how we're going to plumb the cold side to the intake. Oh my.
No, how heavy is it?
Dude.
How heavy actually is it?
Pretty heavy.
Like 80 pounds,
At
100
least
pounds?
this is heavy. Oh my God. Oh boy. Like I'm literally gonna have to lean. I'm gonna have to lean it like this.
I think you already got the right
There's
shoes on
just
and everything.
enough room for the intake. The intake's gonna touch your leg.
Grabbing my yoke.
Where do you want it?
Scratch?
You said it wouldn't leak.
All right, as you can see here, we have the ECU right here. We're gonna have to take it off, and we're gonna plumb it. We're gonna take, this is the air box. We're gonna take the air box off. We're gonna plumb it to the intakes right there, the intake holes for the throttle.
Put this back on.
Helper, hold my hose.
Oh! Where the f did that go?
As you can see, now we have to get these right into here. And I think the method that we're gonna go with is we're gonna plumb it so it goes like somewhere over here through this tray right here. I'm gonna cut a hole in that, and then psh. Yeah, am I doing it, dude?
No, you need to stop. You need to stop.
Dude, we're here at Lowe's. We're gonna grab all the stuff for the intake. So we're trying to just figure out how we're gonna do this. We're gonna use these for the turbo side. We're gonna do 2 on the outside of the like actual motor. We got the intake side plumbed up. It's permanently on there. I use PVC cement to glue it to the intake. It's on there pretty solid. So now we have to get a pipe from here. We're clacking them, dude.
So we need to connect it with that much PVC. And then they're mint, dude.
So now we're gonna take the Gorilla Tape and we're gonna tape this piece to this, cap this end off, and keep going down the line. We've used Gorilla Tape in another video, worked perfect.
It works great, I can attest. The Gorilla Tape holds up.
All right, so I'm pretty stoked on how this came out. It's on there pretty good. Now all we have to do is get it plumbed from here. We're gonna go straight through, up through here, and right into that bad Larry. We're gonna take this 90 off because we wanna see how much air we're actually getting out of this. Oh my God. That's so loud. Dude, there's so much air. That's at least 15 pounds.
Like there's volume coming out of
So
that.
loud. So last thing is just putting the seat on. She's on there now, bud. Dude, thing runs mint.
Looks good going down the street.
It feels fast, but I didn't really get on it. But did you see those dudes with the bikes like just sitting there?
On the side of the road?
Yeah,
I did.
What the
They were like, they didn't understand what that was.
I can literally look in the mirror and see all the like I can't see the first one, but I can see the rest of the 3 turbos just sitting there looking pretty. But I gotta put some air in the back tire because it feels a little bit, with the extra weight, it's a little bit low.
That thing's a rocket ship.
Yeah, it is. That looks nuts.
I think you got an extra 50 horsepower. Dude, it literally picked the front end up without him trying to wheelie it.
Yeah.
I think it definitely added at least a minimum of 20 extra horsepower.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing is so fast now. Holy
Yeah, you literally take off. It's unbelievable.
That is nuts. I couldn't even keep up, dude.
What the
Like just shifted. As
Dude, that's crazy. Dude, I want to see what this thing does in the quarter mile now, dude.
Yeah, I almost didn't believe it, dude. You literally took off like a fucking rocket.
Jesus Christ. Well, yeah, dude. If you're trying to get your FZ09 to go faster, dude, right here, slap 4 turbos on the back.